What if I told you that everything you know about coding is about to change? In the next 60 seconds, you'll see an AI complete a task that would take the average developer 30 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll discover whether AI can truly replace human coders, or if there's something irreplaceable about the human touch in programming. And what I'm about to show you might just change how you work forever. Welcome to AI Mastery Hub, where we break down cutting-edge AI tools to give you the competitive edge in today's digital landscape. I'm your guide through the AI revolution, and today's showdown is one everyone's been waiting for. If this is your first time here, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay ahead in the AI era. Our community is growing fast, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. In the blue corner, we have a senior software developer with 8 years of experience across multiple languages and frameworks. And in the red corner, we have Cursor AI, the coding assistant that's been making waves in the development community. If you're not familiar with Cursor, it's an AI-powered code editor that leverages large language models to help you write, edit, and understand code faster. To keep this challenge fair, we've selected 3 real-world coding tasks of increasing complexity: building a responsive navbar component, creating a data processing function with error handling, and debugging a complex API integration. Each competitor will be timed and will be evaluating not just speed but code quality, functionality, and the overall development experience. Our first challenge is building a responsive navbar with drop-down menus that works flawlessly on both mobile and desktop. Our human developer starts by setting up the HTML structure, then moves to styling with CSS. Notice how they're drawing from past experience, applying best practices they've learned over years of development. Meanwhile, Cursor AI approaches the problem differently. After receiving the prompt, it generates the entire component structure at once, including responsive breakpoints. The results? Human developer, 12 minutes and 37 seconds. Cursor AI, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's test both solutions. The human solution includes some subtle UX improvements the AI missed, but the AI's code was more efficiently written. Point for speed goes to Cursor, while the human gets a point for UX refinement. Next challenge, creating a function that processes user data from a JSON file, handles multiple error cases, and formats the output for API submission. Our human developer is taking a methodical approach, mapping out potential edge cases before writing a single line of code. This upfront planning is a hallmark of experienced developers. Cursor AI immediately generates a comprehensive solution with try-catch blocks and input validation. What's fascinating is how it preemptively addresses edge cases without explicitly being asked to. Results for Task 2 Human Developer, 18 minutes and 22 seconds, Cursor AI 5 minutes and 44 seconds. But when we tested with unexpected inputs, the human solution was more robust in handling bizarre edge cases. Another split decision. AI wins on speed, human wins on reliability. Our final challenge might be the most revealing: debugging a complex API integration with multiple interconnected issues. Both competitors are given the same broken code and asked to fix all issues while maintaining the original functionality. Watch how differently they approach this. The human developer is using systematic debugging techniques, console logs, stepping through execution flow, and checking documentation. Cursor AI takes a different approach, analyzing the entire codebase at once, identifying patterns, and suggesting comprehensive fixes. The results here are fascinating. Human developer 23 minutes and 9 seconds. Cursor AI 8 minutes and 32 seconds. But there's a critical difference. The human found and fixed a subtle security vulnerability that Cursor AI completely missed. This highlights a crucial point about AI coding tools that we'll discuss in a moment. So what does this experiment tell us about the future of coding? Cursor AI dominated in raw speed, completing all 3 tasks in about 17 minutes total, compared to the human's 54 minutes. That's more than 3 times faster. Scene 3, human developer's strength. But speed isn't everything. The human developer excelled in anticipating unusual edge cases, implementing subtle UX improvements, identifying security vulnerabilities, and making architectural decisions that would benefit long-term maintainability. Scene 4, Cursor AI's strength. Cursor AI, meanwhile, showed incredible strengths in generating boilerplate code instantly, consistent syntax and formatting, implementing standard patterns flawlessly, and offering multiple solution approaches simultaneously. The most powerful insight? It's not about AI versus humans, it's about AI with humans. When our developer used Cursor AI as an assistant rather than a replacement, their combined speed and quality surpassed either working alone. This isn't about replacing developers, it's about supercharging them. So how can you leverage this AI advantage in your work, whether you're a professional developer or just someone who occasionally needs to work with code? Here are the key ways to integrate AI coding tools like Cursor. First, use AI to generate starting points in boilerplate code. Second, have AI review your code for potential improvements. Third, ask AI to explain complex code sections you don't understand. Fourth, use AI for quick prototyping before refining manually. And fifth, leverage AI for documentation and comment. The developers who thrive won't be those fighting against AI, they'll be the ones who master the art of collaboration with these powerful tools. The coding landscape is transforming faster than ever before. Tools like Cursor AI aren't just novelties, they're reshaping how we think about development. If you found this comparison valuable, hit that like button and drop a comment with which task impressed you most. What would you like to see AI tackle next? We drop new videos exploring cutting-edge AI tools every week, so subscribe to AI Mastery Hub to stay updated for the AI era. The future belongs to those who adapt fastest. Until next time, keep mastering the future.